Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. So for today's look, we are going to be using the new Unicorn Party Palette collaboration by GLF Cosmetics and I'm super excited. I'm sorry I still haven't filmed a video on it, but I am still working on that so that you guys can see what it's all about. But of course, you can always go on Instagram and check it out yourselves. So if you guys want to see how I did this look, then please keep watching. Now I'm going to be taking the shade Decorations on this tapered blending brush by Lamora Beauty, and I'm going to start applying that into the crease area. Now I've already used concealer as my base. This is Pretty Fresh by ColourPop Cosmetics. So as you can see, I'm just taking a little bit of product at a time, slowly dabbing it and then blending it in circular motions. Now I'm also going to sort of wing this outward. Next, I'm going to be taking the shade called Rainbow, and it's this beautiful red shade. I'm going to just apply this on top of this first shade that we used just to sort of start to blend this out. So I'm using small circular motions and I am dragging it a little bit upward. And I'm just going to leave this footage in so you guys can see how much of it I applied. Obviously, you can do as much as you please. Now I'll be taking a clean blending brush and I'm just going to start blending this harsh edge out. And blending can take some time. It is a process. I'm just going to blend this out until it looks very soft. So here I'm just continuing to blend. I'm going to leave it in so you can see what it looks like, but I'm going to fast forward it a little bit. And here I'm just taking a little bit of the first two shades and I'm just going to draw sort of like a V at this edge here. Now I'll be cutting my crease, and this is a small e.l.f. concealer brush. This is one that I always love to use. It's like 99 cents or $1 at the drugstore. So I'm taking the first concealer that I used, the ColourPop Pretty Fresh, and this is in the shade Light 33C. And I'm just going to start to carve out this crease. Now to really get that edge sharp, I'm going to take an eyeliner brush and I'm just going to start to draw that edge out. Now I'm going to be taking the shade Decorations on a small flat brush and I'm going to just start applying this on the second half of this concealer that we applied. Now I'm going to leave a space. I'm not going to take it all the way up to the concealer line or at this edge also. You'll see what I'm talking about. Now I want to set this front half with some powder just so that it doesn't transfer anywhere else. So let's do that first. And now I'm still taking the same shade Decorations on a bigger flat brush. And I'm just going to start to blend these two edges together. So I kind of want this to be a little bit darker. So I'm just going to take some black eyeshadow and I'm going to apply this at the end of this liner. Now this is, I think this black is from the Carity Matte palette, but you can use any black that you like. Next I will be applying some concealer as if it was eyeliner. So I'm just going to start drawing that line and then wing it out. Next I'm going to take this glitter by ColourPop. This is Bring the Heat in that Glitterly Obsessed collection. This glitter is so pretty, but I think mine started to dry out. So I'm going to take some NYX glitter glue and I'm going to apply that first before I top any glitter on it. So here you can see that it's a little bit clumpy and I'm trying to make it work. I really like it, so I applied what I could. But now I'm going to take some of this glitter by GLF Cosmetics. And this is from their gold chunky glitter. And this is so pretty as well. I should have used this first. But I'm going to apply this in the areas that are kind of lacking and the areas that you can still see concealer. Now for the lower lash line, I'm just going to use a mixture of the first two shades that we used. For mascara, I will be using the Benefit Cosmetics Roller Lash Mascara. And then I'll be applying some false lashes. These are by Carity in the style Quinn. Now to highlight, I'll be using the shade Believer. So this is the finished look. I am super obsessed with it. I think it is perfect for the holidays. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to go ahead and check out glfcosmetics.com so you can learn more about how you can order your palette today. And also, along with some other special goodies. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for your support. And you guys have a blessed week. We'll see you next time.